So this morning we are working on getting the countertops put together, the kitchen cabinets, everything that we bought from IKEA. Everything's in pieces, so it's gonna take us a minute to get everything figured out. They ship you everything separately, so we're gonna get started on that. You're watching American Roots. We are unloading the IKEA stuff for the kitchen. Oh yeah, that one is. I could maybe take the lighter box.
I think these are like our rail slides and cabinet fronts.
Okay.
Can't wait to get it all put together.
These cabinets are like a puzzle piece.
Yep. Go get them. No instructions needed.
Can't find them.
But
They're not even online.
what do you think?
It didn't come with any instructions for that.
So I don't know if I'll adjust this. I think they'll look nice and stuff.
It's gonna look fabulous.
Yeah. So far, I don't have any extra pieces.
Well, that's always good. Oh.
I should pull it down.
Something's not flush though on that side when it closes.
Right here.
No, if you look on the outer side.
Put it here to keep it off of that.
Looks nice. Good job.
One.
Got 2 of the 3. And we're working on all the components of each cabinet.
Like how they fully extend
So I can get things out of them.
in the very back. Like you're all the way back. You got your spice. That's nice. And once they're level and all that, the track will. See, that cabinet's not square. It needs to be right here. See
Well,
it?
once we hang them and get them set up. That's 2. 1 more. Then that cabinet's done. So we have 1 base cabinet completely finished with the 3 drawers.
We gotta get the cat out.
I love the easy close. This is going to be the second base that has a drawer and a shelf. And then we're gonna build the third base cabinet here, and that is going to be the sink, and it's gonna have the pull-out recycle and trash drawer. So we are coming along. This is nice.
We have plenty of directions. We still gotta do doors and drawers.
Nice. So we have the shelf to finish and this drawer for the sink.
I think it's 2 shelves. Nice. Nice. I did start drawing this. You did a good job.
Got that drawer all done. I was a little like, how are we gonna do this one?
It was way different.
Perfect.
Are you sure? Why does it look too high? So, yeah, I got a hole down here. Alright, I'll do that. That was not that square, but that's where I don't look at.
You might need to drill holes.
Oh my God. Weird. I'm not gonna drill just yet. Let's get our countertop on. What if our countertop, what if these have to go right underneath? So, because our countertop gets screwed into this. Okay, so. Have to modify it. Legs. I think it'll work.
Nice.
Took some modification.
You're good at that. They look great. Go kick.
I need one more screw.
You do not have to be good. Even the best of us have been misunderstood. So get up onto your feet. The sun is shining repentance through the leaf. Its rays will wash you clean. I'm walking slowly, I'm taking my time. All I like are talking is starting to rhyme. Letting go of lonely, letting go of strife. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. just can't get enough of this beautiful life. You do not have to be known. Even the best of us have
Super exciting. We're
sometimes
getting ready to move the cabinets.
This whole world is your home. So reach out your branches, lay your roots back to the soil, and watch the rain help you grow. I'm walking slowly, I'm taking my time. All that lack of talking is starting to rhyme. I'm letting go of lonely, letting go of strife. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life.
As far as you want to go?
Well, the sink should be in front of the window.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So if you want to move it back that way.
Back your way.
Yeah, because then the last thing we have is the little desk. It's going to add more kitchen space.
Okay.
So however long that is.
I'm gonna push it back to you.
Here's the template.
And level. So I gotta come up on that side. Exciting.
Very exciting. First thing hung on the wall.
Permanent. I'd like to get some pan head screws.
Nice. Yay!
Yep. And where's your...
My little hand towel.
Was this from Finn?
No, from Conrad.
Conrad. So rad. Connie.
Who smells like burnt cheese?
Oh, that's Conrad. There, tuck in the tag and everything. You got any pot holders?
It's for washcloths. Things like that.
For holding your...
Looks like a
reindeer bag?
Valentine's shelf. Sunset's gorgeous. I can hear nothing. It's so great. I woke up this morning and it was so quiet.
We can take a picture. Alright. That high then. That would give you more room. The
Yeah.
barn and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, you hold that for a second. I got you.
You have screws?
Yeah, I do. I'm just off my stud. So it doesn't excite me. Let's see. Nope, looks good. You like it?
Yeah.
I do too.
It's very clean. There, it folded up when you did that.
And I could screw these screws in here. I want them to show, and it's tight.
Yeah, there's no need.
Oh wait. These were for these?
Yep.
Or these were for something
Yep.
else?
Nice.
Pull it down.
Looks good.
It does. Get. Let me see all that. Nice. I think it looks great.
I love it.
Looks like
Jess lives here.
Jess lives here.
Waking up, it's gone. It leaves us feeling cold again. Picking up the stones our hands were made to feel. And moments like these, they show us what we've got when we ain't got a thing. We've got us.
Good.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm super skeptical. And this shit does look better. Your laptop. You can put that up on there. In your workspace.
I want to see how the butcher blocks.
I looked it up.
It looks gorgeous.
Come down a little bit.
They look very professional.
They do, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Custom.
The whole thing looks beautiful. Hope that this encourages you to buy dirt, not diamonds. And until next time, we're praying blessings on you, and we'll see you soon.